Okay, this makes me so excited to see. DJT, I made a video about this on 923, and I was like, I just wanted a little closer to that bottom trend here, line that I drew here. And here it is, it's still effective. And as you can see, look at the massive move we have. Coming with the elections, I do think this thing goes much higher. Man, but look at this. From the very low to the high, we're already at 29. We're at about 30% up here. So very nice move up here. Do we keep going up? Should you take profits? The key word, should you take profits? If you have to say that, absolutely you should. Because one thing right here, I do notice we are above the upper trend channel. As you can see, that's very bullish. It's a breakout. The last time we tried to do that, every time we just failed. As you can see, we went above and went down. We went above and went down. Well, this body is clearly above the channel. There's no question about it. We have broken out. It didn't end below it. It ended above it. Our entries is going to be near the bottom channel, and as you can see, I like that. And as you can see here too, we had time distance from the EMA 5, so we had a very conservative target. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 5 daily candles here, not touching it, and then from the low to here, just the EMA 5. We had a nice 15% gain. But this is why I liked it. A lot of people were like, "Oh, it's not going to pump. It has got trash fundamentals. There's nothing good about it." I mean, it did pump 30% using this system, though. Where can we go to? The reversion of the mean is your EMA 20. So I'm not really caring. I get the fundamentals and all, but if you look at the system, if you look at the chart, and you look how price goes, and if you're in my Discord, the link's down below if you want to join, but you can see what we're trying to target here. We're trying to look for overreaction moves. So like right in here, as you can see, we touched the bottom trend channel. We got close to this ATR4. We got a clear touch. So this was an much better. It was an A+ setup. So right in here, we get this move up, and where do we go? We went to the upper channel, and we made about a 20% move, and that's all you really need, right? 10 to 20% gains. This one, since the price is a lower stock, now that we moved lower, the gains are going to be higher. So this was a 30% move. So all throughout this, you can look at it, and then you can also say, with November coming up in the elections, this I definitely can see a big move just based on that. It's not about the company, right, and the fundamentals and all that. It's about, is there volume, is there liquidity, and can we get in and out, and that's what matters here. Here's the other opportunity I made on a video here back in 620. Look at the same pattern here. We're away from the EMA 5. Remember, price has to touch the EMA 5. I don't care what company it is. Usually when there is bad news, it takes longer. It'll go farther down, and that's what happens. But right in here, we had a clear touch of my favorite pattern, the bottom band. Right here, this is your ATR4. It's customized. Not a lot of stocks do it, but when it does, and you don't have much time distance, and you correlate everything, you can see, well, we haven't touched this EMA 5. We had this drastic drop, and look at the big move this did. It was amazing. We pumped 64%, and if you did options and you know about that stuff, you know that just a 5% move on a stock with an option is pretty freaking massive, depending on your expiration, out of the money, and all that. So right in here, we had a nice move. So you might ask, well, where do we go from here? As of now, I am bullish on DJT. I was bullish down here at $11. I am still bullish at 14 until it proves me otherwise. Obviously, I would not buy it right here. So people might be like, oh, I'm going to buy here. You didn't like it at $11, you're not going to like it at 14. I don't know what system you're trying to play. Maybe it's a breakout pattern, because this is what it clearly is right now. But my thing is, get it when it's depressing. Buy it when nobody wants it, and then you sell it when too many people want it. When a lot of people are saying, I want DJT now, and there's so much hopium, well, that's the time to start scaling out. Obviously, I think this can pump a lot more. I don't think this is the big move. Could we keep going down this channel? Is an absolute yes. There is no certainty in the market. Nobody knows exactly where DJT is going to go. Anybody that says that is a pumper, and you need to stop listening to them, because that's just not true. The market is a bunch of probabilities, and then risk versus reward. Your risk versus reward just got a whole lot worse on this pump compared to down here in the $11 range. I was looking for this bottom trend channel, as you can see the last time I did it. So 1175, and it could have dropped down another 50 cents. But like I said, you do 2 accumulations on these type of plays. You get it down here, and if it goes a little further, you get it one more, and then you do a 20% stop loss. That's literally all. If you do not have a plan, you already lost in trading. That is a plan that I use for day trading, and it works all the time. So I've used it for swing trading, and it's nice because not one trade is going to blow your account, and your win should outweigh your losses using this system. So this is a very nice thing. Draw your trend channel if you're not at this bottom band here. You can see where the support and resistance are. Look at the EMA 5. Do we have a EMA 5 time distance? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 candles not touching this EMA 5. Well, a conservative gain is going to go to the EMA 5. The next resistance is your 10. As you can see, we hit this. So I don't know. It's like a 50-50 here. We're breaking out. Can it be a false breakout, or do we go back down? We'll see. So yeah, I really love this. This is very nice, and we had nice volume coming in out of this. I hope you guys enjoyed this analysis. This is my DJT. Anybody that followed my analysis back in 923, you made pretty good bank on this, and especially doing options. If you guys want to join the premium Discord, now's the time to do it. I think you guys are going to love it. You can click the link down below in the YouTube comments. I'll have it pinned. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. It'll be in the description, but you can find it all in here. My methods, the community. A lot of the people in here are very nice people, but if you join, it'll take you to this free chat landing page. Does not mean you're a subscriber. What you want to do is head on over to server shop on the top left here. You can see it right here, or you can just click day trade alerts and it'll give you access to the highest tier. But there's 2 tiers, swing trading and day and swing trading plus. Obviously, I'm going to recommend the Day and Swing Trading Plus for $12 a month. It gives you all the alerts, and I make more money doing day trades. I love swing trading, but I don't take it as serious as my day trades. Swing trading can take a lot longer, but as being my full-time job, I want to make money every day. And I hope everyone would want to do this as a full-time job too, because it gives you financial freedom to do anything you want, travel, as long as you're a proficient trader. And if you watch all the videos in this, I have all videos how to set up your chart, and you really do follow the clear plan of, you have your stop loss, you have your, consistent profit, and you'll be fine. So for $12 a month, you're going to get access to my day trading education, which will look like this. You're going to get my swing trading education. Swing trading education, use these indicators to be profitable. That will get your indicators shown up on your chart. Live streams I do every day during market hours, kind of talk through what's going on, and you just can kind of get a feel, is this part of, is this what I want? A lot of these trades that I'm doing, especially my day trades, I'm looking for lower time frame. So this is a daily candle, which gives me the best signal for swing trading. But for day trading, I look at the biggest cap stocks in the world, the best indexes that have the most volume, and I'm using lower time frames because what happens is they revert to the mean much faster. So what we're trying to do, the one thing we know that is for sure in the market is a reversion to the mean. That is one thing we do know for sure. You can look at anything, and when you look at my index plays, I have an over 25, 28 wins in a row doing indexes. It's it's freaking possible, close to 100% win ratio. I don't want to ever say that because it gets people's hopes up, but it's freaking really close to 100% win ratio because I'm doing the best volume in the world, and I'm doing my strategy with reversion to the mean. So hope you guys do join the community. It's only $12 a month. Hit the link down below in the YouTube comments to join the Discord. If you subscribe, do it on your computer. You won't regret it. But this is my analysis on DJT. I hope you guys liked it. Back in 923, everyone was talking trash to me. Well, now that it's pumping, I'm sure a lot of people are buying it, and then there'll probably be back holders if it does come back down to this lower trend channel. And you see how the process repeats. When price goes up, everyone wants it. When price goes down, nobody wants it. And you kind of have to change your mindset. Obviously, when it just goes down doesn't mean you just buy. You want to use a nice solid system. You're more than likely to use this. Hope you guys enjoyed this analysis of my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, happy trading, and let's make some money.